Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today's video, I am finally tackling my nightstand, you guys. I finally decluttered it. My husband actually did his side too, but my camera, the battery ended up dying while he was doing his nightstand, so I don't have the full footage because I had to charge all 3 batteries, but he actually did clean it. I will show you, I think 2 days later, because this video took me 2 days and not right after the other. This was actually Monday, and Tuesday I took a break, and then Wednesday I finished up the rest of the house. But I have a lot of cleaning, organizing, and some laundry in this video and tackling some nasty little messes. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and get into the cleaning.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck.
Okay, I had to pause for a second. I went to let Bella outside and I already took them out of the package, but I ordered these off of Amazon on Prime Day, I believe. And these were about $26, I think. I ordered another set that had like 2 of each, but that set was not going to be delivered until the end of October, and I did not want to wait. So I went ahead and purchased this one as well to see if I was going to like them, and I do. The glass, this is glass, but the glass feels very thin. Which I like. I didn't want it to be heavy because we have kids and I didn't want them picking this up and then it'd be too heavy. Obviously with stuff in it, it's going to be heavier, but the glass itself is not like a very heavy glass. So I think I'm going to like these. They're dirty right now, but I'm going to go ahead and wash them and then I'll try them, and I'm definitely going to do a whole pantry reorganization. This kind of reminds me of the ones from IKEA. But these were about, I want to say 26. So they kind of roughly, I guess, around the same price, because I know IKEA sells the glass and then the lid separately, I believe. And then I think they sell some that are together. I forget. But I'll link these down below, but I'm going to go ahead and finish up cleaning. I was just so excited that the box was out there. I had to take them out and share that with you guys.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
All right, guys, I want to take just a second and talk about these bins that I have on the bed. I did film me talking about them, but for some reason that particular footage says that it cannot be read, and sometimes SD cards or my camera does that. I don't know what it is, but basically those bins I got at Walmart, the pink and the grays, and then that big one under where they're sitting on top of, that's actually from the Better Homes and Garden. It has wheels on the bottom, and that is for my husband. He's going to use that to put all his like electronic things in, and that's going to slide right under the bed. Now here I had started doing my nightstand, and at this point is where my husband had already gotten home and I needed to start dinner, so I had to put this on pause, and I continued it later in the evening. And then we also continued with my husband's nightstand, and then I went ahead and did our bathroom, and then after that I didn't get back to the cleaning until Wednesday.
Skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Y'all, here is a cute little story that my stepdaughter wrote on how my husband and I met. She wrote this a long time ago, and I cannot believe I still have that. It's so cute.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close.
All right, guys, it is like a few days later. Let me show you guys my nightstand. So my batteries were all dead the other night, and when we did these, or when I cleaned my room and my nightstand, my husband also did his, but my cameras were dead. And then the following day, I didn't end up doing any type of cleaning. We did go out. So today I'm going to finish. So here I have all this stuff is like camera stuff or battery things and chargers, some sanitizers and some chapstick. And here it's just nothing but just like checkbooks and like a little notebook. I never really keep anything in here that's important, really. I did throw like cash stuff in here and things like that, but that's about it. This drawer had books, like my school books that I had in here. I keep my laptop in here, and then some cooking stuff. And like I said, this is all just things that I use for make sure I'm up to date with my credits and things like that, my CEUs. And then this is my school book back when I was in school. I just have it there for some reason, don't know why. I guess keeping anatomy books is a good thing. I don't know, depending on what else I want to do. But let's go over here to my husband's. So his is way better. This looks so much better than what it was. I need to get more bins to kind of organize, but at least there's not much in here. And then I don't know what he did down here. Okay, I guess really not much. Some heating pads maybe, I don't know. But he kind of emptied that out. And then down here, let me show you. Here is his little rolling. This is where he keeps all the stuff for his He ended up putting his GoPro things, all, you know, things that, electronic things under here with that. And then this, he is still going over some things in here. So we've made progress. So hopefully all this can get cleared soon. And that right there, those are cameras that have to go down. I think he's putting those at the dock. We have cameras all around the house, but I think those two are going somewhere downstairs, or I don't know. But so that is it. And we're gonna go ahead and continue on with the living area and the kitchen.
Never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
And here is where it was a little bit nasty. This is where we keep our dog's food. This utility mat holds her food bowl and her water bowl. And so sometimes when we put food in there, because we do give her some people food sometimes, depending on what we're eating. So whenever the kids pour food in the bowl, it kind of splashes onto the windowsill here. So I wanted to go ahead and clean that up. And then there was a little bit of dog food, but for the most part, this utility mat does hold all the nasty stuff, but it does get really dirty. So I like to go ahead and wash it. And what I typically do is whenever I am completely done with my sponge that I'm using, I go ahead and use that sponge and clean her bowl and the utility mat. And then I go ahead and throw that sponge away, just because obviously I don't want to clean my dishes with a sponge that I've cleaned a dog bowl with or her utility mat. But I got it nice and clean, and I do this about once a month because it doesn't get that dirty. It just depends on if she gets human food, and depending what type of human food she gets. There came a point where our vet told us to give her like green beans or like some chicken or things like that, because I think she was sick. I forget, or she had an upset stomach, I believe is what it was. But here I am using the old sponge and cleaning out this mat, and then I'll go ahead and do the same for her water bowl and her food bowl.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no gloves. We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud.
And here's that old nasty sponge that I am throwing out. Now, as you can see in the background, there is a hole right under the cabinet between the ice maker and the dishwasher. So we ended up pulling out that trash compactor. If you go back to some of my older videos, you'll notice that we had this trash compactor in there and we never used it. So we went ahead and pulled that out, and we are going to put something super awesome in there. So I can't wait to share that with you guys in another video.
Came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. Making plans so as we go, weary dance when no one knows just how we want it. We want it. Going left, going right, doesn't matter tonight, just how we want it. We want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
All right, y'all, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you guys in the next one. And do not forget to subscribe down below.